Okay, Lynn, please continue. Can you see the screen? Lynn, don't write the name of people here. Just write his, hers, or theirs. Okay. His or hers. You remove the Nick, Lucy, and Bill. Only possessive pronoun.
Job.
Yes, Lynn. This one here.
Know.
It's okay. Look at here. Nick. Is Nick a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Boy. Oh, use his. That's correct. Lucy. Lucy's a girl or a boy?
Yes.
Use hers. Okay. Here, Lynn, you just have to answer number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. 1 and 2 have answers already. Go. Okay, you're done. Okay, look at your her here. Lynn, you say hers, not only her, hers. Put S. Okay, done? Finished? Okay.
Yes.
All right, Lynn, please read number 2. Read number 2. Whose watch? Oh, come on. Whose watch?
It's Lucy.
Okay, it's hers. Okay, number 3.
It's hers.
Okay, number 3. Whose?
Mm, it's his.
Next, 4.
Mm, it's hers.
Next. Whose
It's
clock?
hers.
Next.
It's his.
Okay, are you done? Let's check. Okay, Lynn, let's check your answer. Number 2. Whose watch is it? The answer is it.
It's Lucy.
Lucy's. Very good. Number 3. Whose tennis ball is it? It's Bill's. It's his. Correct. His, because Bill is a boy. Number 4. Whose clock is it? It's Anna's. It's hers. Correct, Lynn. Number 5. Whose kite is it? It's Jill's. It's hers. Correct. Number 6. Whose paints are they? They're Tom's. They're his. Okay, very good, Lynn. Very good. Because you were able to answer this activity correctly. Great work, Lynn. All right. So I have here names of these people. Now, Lynn, look at the picture. How many children are there?
There are 5 children.
Okay, there are 5 children. And what are their names? They are?
Let's ask Lucy, Anna, Bill, Tom, and Nick.
Correct. Now here, what things can you see in the picture? There are?
There are
What are the things?
camera,
Next.
tennis,
Next.
grass,
Next.
roller,
Ruler. Next.
car,
Car. Next. That's radio.
radio,
And?
and pencil.
Very good. Okay, Lynn, here, I want you to listen to the audio. Okay, wait, share that. Okay, I want you to listen to the audio. Draw lines, okay? Draw lines to where are these or who owns the given object. Example, glasses. Draw lines to Bill. Okay? You know what to do?
Okay.
Okay, listen, Lynn, to the audio and draw lines. Here we go.
11C. Whose is it? Listen and look. There is one example.
Put the glasses on Bill's nose.
Sorry? Put the glasses where?
On Bill's nose.
Right.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Put the radio in Lucy's bag.
Pardon? Put the radio where?
Put it in Lucy's bag, please.
Okay.
2.
And put the pencils in Anna's hand.
The pencils? In Anna's hand?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, good. I can do that.
3.
And can you see the ruler?
The ruler? Yes, I can.
Great. Put it on Tom's book.
On Tom's book. Okay.
4.
Now, the camera.
The camera?
Yes. Put it in Nick's box.
In Nick's box. I'm doing that now.
5.
Can you put the car on Bill's head now?
Sorry? Put the car where?
Put it on Bill's head, please.
Okay.
All right, Lynn, do you want to listen again or you want to check it now? You want to listen one more time or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's check now your answer, Lynn, since you have answers already. So we have here the following things. We have camera, tennis ball, glasses, ruler, car, toy car, radio, and pencils. Okay, let's check. So look at here. Very good. We have here radio to Lucy. Next, the pencils to Anna. Lynn, very good, Lynn. Next, we have ruler to Tom. Correct. Next, we also have camera to Nick's box. And lastly, we have car to Bill's head. Great work, Lynn, because you were able to listen well and able to put or draw lines to where these things are. Great work. Very good, Lynn. So I guess, Lynn, we don't have any more time to do the next one. So, Lynn, we will end there, but next meeting, we're going to continue that one. And teacher will give you homework, okay? I'll give you homework to do. All right. And congratulations, Lynn. Job well done today. You were able to answer all the activities given. But then there was one mistake, only one. That's okay. Okay? It's still okay because it's only one mistake. Great work. Just have to be careful next time. Okay? Answering, be careful all the time. Okay. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. And goodbye for now, Lynn. I'll see you again next class. Bye-bye. Goodbye,
Goodbye,
Lynn.
teacher. See you again.
Yeah, see you again, Lynn. Bye-bye.